Hi, welcome to WiseCat. Well, it's been a while since I've actually made any videos, and I should be making a few more. But anyway, been kind of busy, got myself a new site and everything, and so today I figured I'd just get back into it with a small video about the course overview block. So let's go take a look at it. All right, so I'm going to shrink myself down, and let's enter my Moodle here. Wow, there it is. And here on the course overview block in Moodle 4.0 is mostly apparent on the My Courses site. That's pretty much where it's the only block on the page. It used to be on the dashboard block until Moodle 4.0, but this is a fresh install of 4.0, and so this is where it all is. Now, the main part that causes a lot of confusion here is up the top top left-hand corner here is this all thing here. Now, this is actually a filter and allows you to filter the different courses. That you can have all, including remove from view, all, in progress, future, past, starred, or remove from view. So let's have a look at how these two different ones work. So I've got 3 courses that I've made. Happening now, not yet. This course is a future course, and this course is over and in the past. So we can use these to go, okay, in progress is the only course that appears now. It's happening now. The past and present ones have been filtered out. If I change this again to future, the future course is the only one that appears. And if I change it to past, the past one is the only one that's there. Oh, how does that happen? This magic, it's not magic. What happens is inside the course here, inside the course settings, these dates on the past course, if you look at the past course, is 12th October 2021 to the 10th of October 2022. Well, today, according to my date anyway, is the 11th of October. So this finished yesterday at midnight. Right? If I change this to, say, the 23rd, and then save that, now it will be an in-progress course. So now if I go back to my courses, it is no longer in the past. It is in the in-progress section. Likewise, if the future one, if you look at the future one, the times in the settings here will be set into the future. So that will be how Moodle knows should this be in the past, present, or future. Okay, so that's great. What about all? Well, all shows all of them except for ones that you've removed from view. So let's remove a couple from view. This course is over. It's in the past. It's a past course. Okay, so I don't need to look at that anymore. I'm going to go over here to the right-hand side, click on the 3 dots, and remove it from view. And now it's gone. It's gone! But where did it go? Where did it go? It went to remove from view. There it is. We can see the ones that we've removed from view, and there it is. Now, one of the things that's a little bit odd is on the Moodle app, this is called archiving, and the name is different. Why is it different? I have no idea. It shouldn't be different, I don't think. But then again, I don't know, maybe this one will change later. Watch this space, I guess. Good excuse to make another video. All right. So anyway, if I select all, including remove from view, there's all of my courses, including the one I've removed from view. And I can then also go to all, which doesn't include the remove from view, and that is not including the one I removed from view. If I want to get that remove from view one back, I can go to review from view, click on the 3 dots, and restore to view this course. And that's probably why it's changed, is because this restore to view is a little bit of a weird phrasing, so maybe archived and unarchived sounds better, but yeah, they're not quite consistent just yet. So anyway, there it is. It's back, and it's in the in progress. But the happening now is perhaps the most exciting course, because it is happening, and it is happening now. So let's do something special about that one. Let's come over to the 3 dots, and let's star it. We click on star it, star this course, and a star is born. You can see the star. It's right there. It's right there. It is cool. It is there. And in the filter, we can go to starred courses. And we can check these stars. Boom! And there it is. Right there. It's starred. A star is born. Okay, so this is all great and well, but it's a bit clunky. And the problem is that, if students aren't actually ready for this, they might have this selecting the past course and go, oh, where did my courses go? Oh, I can't see them anymore. They've disappeared and vanished. I deleted Moodle. I destroyed the internet. And they might freak out. So what do? Well, what we can do is actually we can get rid of this filter completely. And I'll show you how. All right, you go to site administration and it's a block. So we're looking for the settings for the block. And so we go to plugins, and in plugins, it's a block. So in the block section, we have, there it is, course overview. We go to course overview and we can see all these filters that we can add. And you can even add your own custom field filter as well, but you have to actually have a custom field set first. Okay, so what we can do, we can say, all including removed from, what, don't need that one. What about past and future? Yeah, don't really want those ones there too. What about starred, removed from future? Don't want that one. Let's get rid of them all. Okay, so here's the thing. If none are selected, all courses will be displayed. No matter what, they just all display because it's a filter. And so if you have no filters, nothing is filtered out. And that's the big thing about these filters, is that they filter out stuff. They never just include everything. So if you do that, save, and then let's go back to the dashboard and see what's happened. Oh, no, not the dashboard, my courses. Here it is, 1, 2, 3. I've got my 3 courses here, and they will display no matter what, because I can't filter them out. And this is especially if your students all are only enrolled in, and this is only the courses the students enrolled in. If the students enrolled in only 2 or 3 courses or something like that, small numbers, this is perfect. This is exactly what you want, because the students will always be able to have access to the courses that they're in, and they won't have a whole bunch of filters and other bells and whistles that they don't understand. Okay, but that's not all. That's not all. We had some other options that I just totally ignored and brushed over. So let's go ahead and take a look at those. Boom, boom. Here we have display categories. Yes. Well, this actually shows whether the category that the courses are actually in displays underneath the course name. So I'm going to leave that as yes so I can point it out in the next time and show you. And you also have these available layouts: card, list, and summary. Okay, so what are those? Let's go take a look. If I take a look in my, I keep going to dashboard. Yeah, I'm too used to that. But here, if we go, this is the list view. This is a list of courses. They're all listed up, top to bottom. There you go. If we change this to card, now they're cards. 1 card, 2 card, 3 card. Right. If we go to summary, they're sort of like list view, but also has the summary. If I have, course summaries actually written in, and the information about the courses, more information will be provided there. If I go back to, say, list view, let's say, very similar to the summary, but anyway, here you can see main category, main category, main category. These main categories are, this is the category name. If I go back to plugins and go to my blocks section, course overview. If I get rid of some of these, then, okay, I'm not going to need list and summary. I'm going to want list only. I like list. List is good. All right, let's only have list. And let's not display the categories this time. Now, can you think of what's going to happen? What's going to happen when I save that? Well, we can expect that the category information will disappear, and it was only saying main category anyway, so it was boring. There was no need for it. It was a superfluous. And it'll only appear in a list view, and I can't change that to card anymore. So let's go have a look. My courses, and there they are. It's in a list. And there's no more card view or any other view or anything like that. It's sort by last access, sort by group name. Those are the only options I've got, is what order they come in. Let's go course name. There we go. It's course name. What about last accessed? Last accessed. There we go. That's the order that I accessed them last. That's it. And that's the course overview block. So if you really want to simplify it, just go into site administration, plugins, look at the blocks section, find course overview, and basically uncheck all the boxes. That simplifies it. That makes it real simple. The simplest you could possibly have it. That way it'll be a list. The My Courses page will be a list of just the courses that the students enrolled in. Okay, so that's it. And I'm back, and thank you very much. I'll catch you in the next video, which hopefully won't be that far into the future. Thank you very much. See you next time.